Hello friends, this is next video on the paper number 2. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points distance A and B meter from the base in the same straight line with it are complementary. Prove that height of the tower is root AB. Now this is 1, this is 2. And these two angles are complementary. What are complementary angles? Complementary angles are the angles whose sum, whose total is 90. So if I take this angle as theta, so this will be 90 minus theta. How? Because if I know there is, if I add two numbers, then it gives me 90. If I know one is 30, then I can definitely tell the second one is 60. So how I found 60? मुझे ये 60 कैसे मिला? So I subtracted 30 from 90. So ये मुझे 60 मिल गया. So this is 60. So second angle is 60. So this is theta 90 minus theta. Now distance they have given in question is points at distance A and B. यानी distance till here is A and distance from B to C is B. So this B. So now distance A and B. So we have to prove that height of the tower AB is equal to root AB. Now AB is a tower. C and D are the points the same side of tower. ADB ADB is theta. Now you might think if I take theta here, if I take theta here, so if you take theta here, it's okay, it will be 90 minus theta will be here. And I think this sum I will solve by both the methods so that you won't confused. So ADB is theta. In triangle ADB I am taking tan theta. In triangle ADB I am talking about this triangle, that's ADB. So tan theta is equal to AB upon A. Why A? Distance BD is A. So okay, now tan 90 minus theta AB upon BC if I am taking this triangle. Now tan 90 minus theta, तो 90 वाली पेयर में कौन होता है 10 के साथ? Keep the formula in front of you which we discussed in paper number 1. वो formula note down कर लो और सामने रखो. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. That's AB upon B. Now if I multiply both the equation left side, तो left side tan into cot AB upon A. Okay. Now tan into cot is 1. अभी मैं ए ए बी नीचे जो है उसको ये साइड ले रहा हूँ, ठीक है. सो दिस विल बी root AB. Now if I take theta here, will not affect my answer. Theta is here, 90 minus theta is here. And I'm not explaining everything in this, but if you see how I did, you will understand how I got the same answer. So same, cot into tan will be also 1, and you will solve, you will get the same answer. You can stop the video here. You try to solve it by this method. If you stuck somewhere, if you can't solve, then just look at the video and try to solve it. Let's go on next video. Sorry, like next sum. Okay. The sum of how many terms of the AP 2, 7, 12, 17 will be 990. कितनी term का total 990 होगा? So first term is A T1 is equal to 2, D is equal to T2 minus T1. That's 5. Sn is equal to 90. 990. So final answer is 990. Sum of some terms is 990. So let's apply the formula. Sn is equal to 990, 1 upon 2, and unknown A is equal to 2, and unknown D is equal to 5. So 990 to here and here. 2 to the 4, 5 into n, 5n minus 5. So this is 1980, 5n minus 1. So this is 5 n into 5, and n into 5 n is 5n square. So that's 5n square. N into 1 is minus n. Now quadratic equation बन गया minus n. 1980 के part बनाने 1 आयस था. I am just showing you here, but you don't copy from here when you practice. Just make smallest part and then try to solve it. So I am showing here how to solve this. That's 5n square 199, right? 199. So I think this 980 and multiply by 5 जो आया उसके part बनाना है. See, you have to consider this coefficient also, and that is 9900. 9900 के part बनाए. Common is 5n into bracket 9 minus 20. इसमें से क्या common निकलेगा? I taught you earlier. इससे divide कर दो. फर्स्ट जो है उसे divide कर दो. n से divide कर दो. n cancel. 99 कॉमन ले लो विदाउट एनी थिंकिंग, कुछ भी मत सोचो और ब्रैकेट कॉपी कर दो. राइट, दोनों के बराबर जीरो आ गया. राइट, So n बराबर 20 और n is equal to minus 99 upon 5. That's not possible. So n is equal to 20. 20 terms का total 990 होगा. Let's go on next sum. Find the mean. This information is given, so I am doing with the direct method. I can go with any method if it is not given in question. How I am making xi? So xi 0 plus 10, this 0 plus 10 divided by 2 5. Then I have to keep adding 10 10 10, so I am reaching till 65. Now 4 5 are 20, 8 15, 3 25 3s are, so this is very easy. And now I am doing sigma fxi, sum of all these cells, that is 790. Sigma fixi upon n is 50. Sum of this line is 50. That's frequency, sum of frequency. So that my answer is 35.8. Now find the median. Now how I will find the median? Median के अंदर कौन सा कॉलम बनाना है? That CFI. CFI कैसे बनाना है? So 9 9 plus 11 20 plus प्रीवियस आंसर के साथ, प्रीवियस आंसर के साथ ये फ्रीक्वेंसी ऐड करनी है. प्रीवियस आंसर के साथ this should be 35 here. प्रीवियस आंसर के साथ ये फ्रीक्वेंसी ऐड करनी है. So I did like that. Now n is equal to 100. n upon 2 करो तो आएगा 50. एंड 50 से बड़ी CFI कौन सी है? तुरंत बड़ी. सो 50 के साथ 51 नहीं है, 52 नहीं है, 53 है, सीधी 59 है. सो दिस 40 to 50 जो है, दैट्स माय median class. That's my median class, right? So L is equal to 40, that lower limit of median class. N upon 2 is 50. CFI, CF में क्या करना है? Median class की आगे class का CF, that's 35. So that's 35. Median class की frequency 24, class length 50 में से 40 गया 10. And now I will apply formula for the median. I have all the values. सिंपली आई विल कैलकुलेट. 50 में से 35 जाएगा 15, 15 टेन जा 150. ये दोनों का मैंने डिवाइड किया. सो दैट्स 46.25. एंड इफ यू डोंट नो हाउ टू डिवाइड दिस, देन आई विल टेल यू हाउ टू डिवाइड दिस. दिस इज 150 एंड दिस इज 24. सो 24 फाइजा, आई थिंक 24 24 6 जा, सॉरी 24 6 जा, राइट. एंड 24 6 जा क्या होगा? तो दैट्स 144. 6 150 में से 144 गया 6.0. 24 2s are 48. I am continuing here. 48 गया 60 में से तो 12. एक जीरो फ्री में आएगा, मतलब एक जीरो रखते, दो जीरो नहीं रखते. 24 5 are 120. So this is how you can divide. So that's 0 0 0. So my answer is 46.25. Let's go next. In a circle with radius 42 centimeter, a chord of a circle subtend an angle of measure 60, so it forms 60 at the center. Find the area of minor segment corresponding to this chord. So this yellow area is segment. This yellow area is segment. So I will need another blank file to explain this better. So in this, if I draw a circle, I draw two radiuses like this, and I connect these by a cord. So I will connect it later on. So this whole area subtended by two radiuses is sector. That's minor sector. So this is sector. And what is segment? So if I connect endpoints of radius, and this area that is separated by this is segment. Now how I will find segment? So first of all I will find sector, and after finding sector I will find this triangle. ये triangle का area मैं find out करूँगा. I will subtract sector minus this triangle. Then remaining part is this black part. If I if I subtract this triangle, so remaining part is black part. So that's what is my answer. So let's come back here. So this theory, we have to do in this sum, what I explained, r is equal to 42, theta is equal to 60, and first of all I will find sector, that's pi r square theta upon 360, 22 42 42, theta 60 360. Now let me make it simpler. So this is 7 6 are 42, 0 0 cancel, सिक्स सिक्स ज़ा 36, so ऊपर क्या बचा 22, 6 and 42, नीचे 6, so now 6 6 cancel, so my answer is 924. Now I will find the area of right angle triangle, sorry, area of equilateral triangle. Now how I know that this is an equilateral triangle? See, this is 60, I know, right? And this OA and OC are same, so same side की सामने का angle same, that's a theorem. अगर sides are same, then angles opposite to them are also same. So triangle के तीनों angle का total होता है 180, ये 60 है, तो इसका और इसका total होगा 120, और दोनों same है तो it must be 60 60. So ये हो गया equilateral triangle, और equilateral triangle है तो तीनों तीन side भी same होगी, तीनों तीन angle same है, तो ये 42, ये 42, and I considered this green line also as 42. So there are two ways of finding area of this triangle. Area of an equilateral triangle you can find by the formula root 3 upon 4 into side square, and उसके सिवा जो फॉर्मूला है दैट्स हेरोइन, यू कैन गो, यू कैन नॉट गो विद ऑल्टीट्यूड बेस, वो 90 एंगल होता है तो ही हो सकता है. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग विद स्टैंडर्ड 9 सेमेस्टर 2 हेरोइन लेसन नंबर 14. सो एस मुझे मिल गया 63, 63 माइनस 42, 63 माइनस 42, 63 के स्मॉलेस्ट पार्ट दैट 733. नाउ 63 में से 42 गया 21, 21 के पार्ट 7 3 21, 7 3 21. नाउ जिसकी टीम बनेगी वो बाहर आएगा, राइट? सो जिसकी जिसकी टीम बन रही है वो बाहर आएगा. सो दिस 7 with this 7 will come out, these three came out, then this 7 came out, then these three came out, and root 3 is in root. So this is 441 into 1.73, root 3 की value 1.73 है. Now I will subtract. So this is area of a segment. Now let's come here. We have to find this colored region. We have to find this colored region, and this diagram is given in question, so you don't have to worry. OA and OB are two mutually perpendicular radii of a circle, radius 10.5. So this is 10.5 AO, right? And OB is again a radius, so that will be also 10.5. OD 6, from that OD is 6. OD is 6. Find the area of colored region. Now it is very easy. Think that ये था ही नहीं, so अगर ये ऐसा होता पूरा, so I would call this area, this whole area sector. तो मैं sector को find out कर लूंगा. उसके बाद so I will find this whole area, and from that I will subtract this triangle. Now how I will find the area of this triangle? So this is a subtending right angle, subtending right angle. They have given equation that they are perpendicular, so they are mutually perpendicular, so they form 90 angle. So this is red line is altitude and this is base. So with Pythagorean theorem I can find this, so then I will subtract. So let's see the method. Pi r square theta upon 360, right? I removed points, so 105 upon 10, and theta, that's 90. So it will be like this. So my answer is 86.625. Now I will find the area of triangle OAD, altitude base, that's 1 upon 2, 10.5 and 6, so that will be 10.5 into 3, 2 3s are 6, so that's, now I will subtract. So this, I will subtract the triangle. There is some problem with software, so I'm not okay. So now I think you can see this. So okay, so it's 86.625 minus the 31.5 minus, yeah, so my answer is 51.125 centimeter square. Okay, this is about Hirani Tuitions application available for Gujarati and English medium. You can download it from hiranituitions.com study material. Thanks for watching. Next video will be almost last video for the paper number 2. Then we will go for the paper number 3. Thanks for watching these videos. See you in the next video.